Let's launch a lesson with THiNKtech Teams. Once your lesson is complete, go to the upper right-hand corner and click Launch with Teams. From there, share the lesson ID code with your students and wait for them to join the lesson. Once they've all joined, you can make anywhere between 2 and 10 teams, and you can either randomly or specifically assign students to each team. Once your teams are set, hit Start to begin. From here, your students will enter the lesson, and the first task that they will be completing is a Poll-it. As you can see, when your students are completing a Poll-it, you will collect this data in the form of what each team responds, and by clicking on Students, you can see which student is a part of which team. Next, we have a THiNKit. As each student completes the THiNKit, their entire team will make a team word cloud that will appear separately from the other teams. You can hide the question to view each word cloud separately to see what each student donated to the class. Next, we have a Check-It. In a Check-It, each student submits their own answer, and these answers are organized by what team they are a part of. You can also hide the names at any point, that way you can just see what answers are a part of what team. Next, we have a Sort-It. Sort-It answers are organized in 3 different ways. First, you can see the accuracy rate of each card. Next, you can see the accuracy rate of each group. And lastly, you can see the percentage that each team got. As students answer a Quiz-It, they all must agree on one answer before submitting. From there, you will see what each team selected, and you can also see which student is a part of each team. As you can see here, both the red and the blue team selected true for their answer. By clicking on Students, you can also see what they answered, and you can hide the names if you choose to do so. The next task that our students completed was a Sketch-It. When students complete a Sketch-It, they work together on a canvas, and each team must approve of the Sketch-It before submitting. Therefore, only one sketch will be turned in per each team. Here you can see the sketch that the red team drew, and you can click on it to enlarge it and view it better, and then you can also click on the other teams to see their work. When students complete a Speak-It, each team member will submit their own individual answer. These answers will be organized by what team they are a part of, and you can play each answer per each team. Lastly, we have the finished results from the Quiz-It, and as you can see, both the red and the blue team got it correct. Try using THiNKtech Teams in your classroom to encourage collaboration and teamwork.